go. Yeah, that looked like a drone. All right,
Jesus.
80. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, but that was really wiggly.
Yeah, it was.
Ace 1, hold short of runway 30 left.
Hold short of 30 left, Ace 1.
And it's 1 Delta Kilo, safe parking?
Out back, 1 Delta Kilo.
Delta Kilo, you can make a 180 in back taxi all the way Kilo out back.
All right, 180 to Kilo, 1 Delta Kilo.
Ace 1, cross runway 30 left.
That's kind of weird, huh?
Yeah.
Cross 3.
You said U-turn and go back?
Charlie, Ace 1.
Yeah.
Ace 1, cross runway 30 left at Charlie, thank you.
30 left at Charlie, Ace 1, cross 30
Well, I
left at
can't
Charlie.
taxi then.
Good catch.
Thank you.
So taxi.
All right.
God, I got to do everything. That's weird. Are they that slow? Huh. Save some time, huh?
I'm telling you, that's pretty funny. They give you priority right down the old runway.
That's just weird. Huh. Nobody up.
Look at all the Moonies out.
Yeah. Just keep going. Just keep going. Act like you don't see them. Yeah, you woke me up. Yeah. That was fun.
You turn straight down, really?
Yeah.